Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. So we meet again in Fashionerdz. So right now we're gonna review a shoe, a Nike shoe. So here we have box of Nike shoe here. So at the cover here it has a Nike logo. So just to it. So let's take this out, this package. These are the box, Nike, and the back has written MX. So let's take these shoes out. Guys, I present you MX 90. Yeah. So actually I bought this from Nike's official store. Alright, so like always, let's go briefly through the history of this MX 90. So basically, it was designed by the Tinker Hatfield, he was the one that introduced Air Max line shoes. So you can see it from the design. The design was inspired from a Italian sports car, and yeah. So for the airbags here, you can see there's a visible airbags here. Alright, for the airbags actually it was inspired from a building. It's like a construction building in Paris. So the Hatfield tried to use that approach by introducing the airbags, the visible airbags. Yeah. So that's just a brief history of these shoes. Actually, I bought a 2020 editions, yes, year 2020 editions, which is from the website. It tells it is for Chinese New Year edition, but when you take a look in the stockx.com, actually it's not a Chinese New Year edition, but for Japan Tokyo Olympic 2020. Yeah. So yeah. So that's all for the info about this shoe. So let's take a look then. Alright, so these are the closer look of MX90. So at this side you can see there's an airbag here, and stitch overlays here, a Nike swoosh, a golden Nike swoosh logo, MX, and you can, if you notice here, it I will bring forward. Yeah, it looks like there's a Asian Oriental design here. Yeah, maybe because it's for Tokyo 2020, it must look like Oriental Asian. Yeah. So at the back here it has a golden stitch of Nike Air logo here, and right, it's the same. So this is inside of the shoe. It has a 2020 logo here. 2020, yeah. Tongue. So at the sole, yeah, still same waffle shape of sole, and it has a Nike logo here. Alright. So these are the closer look of MX90. Let's go to take a look on feet. Go. What I can say about these shoes is really comfortable, and you can also use these shoes for joggings or for long distance, and you can buy this at the Nike online store, and its price is around 400 something like that, but I bought it during last sale, which is 30% sales. And yeah, so don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channels, and that's all for me. Thank you. See you again. Bye bye.